Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be looking at Pundi, and we're going to see what factors or what bullish news is out today that's going to make Pundi go parabolic in this bull market run. So here is the coin market cap chart of Pundi. Here we can see the top of the last bull market run on 2018 of May was over 1,000%. And here we can see Pundi is just about to break out right here. Today is Sunday, March 14, 0.003735. I got into Pundi at 0.002, so I'm up fairly over 85% of my investment before the pullback, because it did pull up to 0.004. And I think Pundi is a really good investment for the short term and long term cryptocurrency gains. And also we can see the market cap of Pundi is 831 million US dollars. That's barely under a billion. These days in the cryptocurrency market, there are a lot of coins and tokens that have no value on user case that are almost over $1 billion or more. And we can see the NPXS coin, which is the ticker symbol of Pundi, has a maximum supply of 258 billion NPXS coins. So based on that number, we're gonna go into the news that's making Pundi really bullish this bull market season. And here we can see on this tab, you can accept and sell Bitcoin free of risk of volatility. They have the PundiX wallet app where you can store your Pundi tokens. And here's the bullish news you want to look into. PundiX is welcoming partnerships, bringing Zella Pay AE to bring crypto and blockchain to the UAE. And here we can see the PundiX on the XPOS platform, like a POS, point of sale terminal basically. And with cryptocurrency and blockchain moving closer than ever to mainstream adoption, various initiatives have cropped up the aim of enabling people to take advantage of the technologies. After all, cryptocurrency and blockchain represent a safe, secure way for people to finally store their digital assets without the need for third-party institutions. And also we can see there's a bunch of more here in this article on Medium, and this is the link to the ZellaPay.ae website. So Pundi is mainly operational in the Asian continent, and there's a really good market there for cryptocurrency and implementation. They have point of sale terminal, which is basically the device you use here in the United States of America, like a Verizon payment portal system app, or you use to pay for your pizza, Domino's, or whatever. So that's basically what PundiX is doing right now. And here is the most bullish news for Pundi. So here we can see NPXS token reduction poll results, and we can see 1,000 NPXS is going to make one Pundi. And the new ticker symbol for the NPXS hasn't been released. And the reason why I think this is important, because if they release the ticker symbol, there are going to be a lot of scammers on the cryptocurrency market that are going to go ahead and register that token symbol on different smart chain and networks. And we don't want that to happen because Pundi is still on the Etherscan IO network. And so basically, the 258 billion earlier from CoinMarketCap that we found is going to be divided by 1,000 NPXX, and for each 1,000 Pundi you own, you're going to own one Pundi at a new ticker symbol price. So basically, this is a deflationary action, and usually in economics, whenever there's deflation and the demand increases, the supply reduces, that usually leads to a bump up in the price of the underlying asset. And here is just really bullish news for me. I think people that participate in the poll are wise, and they know what they want to look out for the Pundi network. And we also received 228,800 NPXX. That's just what, 224,000. So I just mentioned that so that you divide that by 1,000 and you have 224.8 NPXX, or the new ticker symbol when the name is released. So the tokens born will burn at the end of March together with the Q1 2021 results. So what's next? After taking the poll results, product roadmap, community feedback, and the market condition into consideration, the team has decided to follow the collective feedback and proceed with the token reduction plan. They will execute the reduction plan by the end of March. Come on, guys, today is March 15th. We have 2 more weeks for this to be implemented. So you really want to get a hold of the NPXS tokens on your Binance, your MetaMask, your Uniswap, wherever you can find it, because it's really going to do well. And in the meantime, the team will start preparing the new token contract, a new token ticker swap mechanism and communicating with the major exchanges to smooth the token transition and token swap. So the one thing I would want you guys to do is whenever you see something like this about making a new token contract, you want to make sure you hold both positions in your Uniswap wallet by your MetaMask connection and also on Binance, because sometimes Binance really takes time to approve new token contracts. So having it on Uniswap, where it's rather faster, you can quickly actually trade in those tokens when they added to your wallet for US dollar value to prevent loss of value in case it goes down when there's a huge sell-off, because people are getting basically free money from airdrops and different things. So will X wallet support the swap? Yes, NPXS tokens and X wallet will also swap into the new NPXS tokens. More details soon. So the X wallet is the official storage app for NPXS tokens made by the team. But the reason I don't really support the X wallet is because they ask for your ID card, they ask for your address, they ask for your name, picture of your passport. They ask basically for your whole life, basically just to get the wallet. So I don't really advise against getting that wallet, especially when it's a company that is out of the United States, unregulated and everything. So, and yeah, just not something I feel you can just get it through MetaMask, pay the high Uniswap fees or the gas fees and just get along with your day. And also, which exchanges support the swap? We expect many major exchanges to support the swap, so they're telling you, please follow your exchanges and our Medium blog post, which is the page we're on right now. Close it from now to the late March for the supported list. What is the new tokens ticker? Well, like I said, they will announce the ticker once we execute the smart contract. This is to prevent others from pre-registering the name. Like I said earlier, there's going to be a lot of scammers. If they drop the token name now, they're going to go ahead and register it, and people are going to switch the tokens for actual valuable tokens. And then they're going to do something called a rug pull, where they just disconnect the token's existence and take all the US dollar value that they found. So now, example, NPXS is 0.003. If you multiply by 1,000, divide that by 1,000, the new price will be $3 after the supply reduction. So from there, the price movement will be determined by the market. So what I think is when that is implemented, people are going to see NPXS, oh wow, it's $3. I remember in the last bull run, it was about 0.12, 0.11. And then, listen guys, this happens every time in the stock market. So whenever information gets lost in transit from previous investors, they're going to come back and see NPXS at $3 and think it did like 100x or 1,000x, but that's not the case. They're going to buy into this with FOMO, and that's what I think is actually going to pump the price more in regards to the actual token burn reduction in the supply of the tokens. So just listen to me guys, like trust me, I have experience in this investing stuff, and basic things like this, like newbies make mistakes, they see new tokens, oh it's up $3 today, last time I saw it was like a couple of cents. They're gonna buy it because of the FOMO and when the bull market run. So will they be staking? There will be staking for the new NPXs right after token reduction starts. And then staking plays an important role in our future DeFi planning and milestones, because now DeFi platform is really huge right now. Everyone's getting into DeFi. Look at Aave, Compound Maker, all these DeFi products are just booming right now. And yeah, I think that's all. I don't want to make this video too long, and we can go back here to the Medium. So if you want to get a better understanding